Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We had a customer bring a 2016 Porsche Macan into the shop today. We're doing we already fit this bracket, it's the S&S 119, but we haven't demonstrated actually drilling the two pilot holes and putting the screws in, so we thought this would be a good vehicle to go ahead and film this just to show you. And a lot of times we just have to simulate. We only had this going through 17 and 18, but this is 16, so clearly this bracket will work for 16 as well. But we're going to mount it in the lower center there, and unfortunately there's no fasteners underneath, so this is one where we have to drill a couple of pilot holes and put a couple of screws in. So this one you got to use the double-sided tape to line it up, so that probably takes the longest. It's actually a pretty quick install, but we got to line it first, make sure that it's not crooked, and then we'll drill the two holes, put the screws in, and so we'll go ahead and we're going to go through the lining it up process, make sure we center it. So.
All right, so that's what we include the foam tape for, so that you can get it perfect before you ever put any holes in the car.
Alright. So you're looking at, it's got to go left a little bit more to your left. That looks pretty good actually right there. I can't tell what so you want to get straight on, and then you want to be about, that looks pretty good. This would actually be one of the fastest, although now I think you're a little far to the left when you probably moved it there. Yeah, maybe just a tish more, not much. That looks pretty good. Right now let's look at left and right. I like the straight on. Let me look the other way here. Try not to make you. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Right. Actually, I think we're. Sometimes this process could, depending on how OCD you are, this process can take a while. So, you still like everything? I do. Okay. Yeah.
All right. Okay, so now that we got that good, we're going to go ahead and put the holes in. I'll put my glasses on. That might end up drilling a hole through the front tire or something. All right, so here we go. So now once we got this done, we're going to go ahead and put our pilot holes in. It's an 1/8 inch pilot hole. It's real important to just go through the plastic and stop. You never know what's behind there, so you don't want to get crazy. These are really important. These are a 6.3 by 20. They're a automotive sims. They're designed for plastic, so it's real important that you follow the tightening procedures in this. I always like to start them both and just make sure they don't. We'll get this out of our way now. And you can see, so the important thing is to run these down till they're flush. And once you get them flush, you want to, like that's flush right now. You want to go no more than a half a turn and stop. Because it's not like it's going anything hard, it's just plastic. So if you keep going, you're just going to strip them out. But if you follow these procedures, these screws will never come out. So here we go, same thing, run it down till it's flush. Once it's flush, half a turn, stop. And as you can see, that's solid. That's not going anywhere. So then once that's done, you're going to take your front plate, start it in, pull the pull pin, put it until it clicks into place, and you're done. And okay. There you go.
Yeah, and make sure that you lubricate your pull pin from time to time, just to keep it working properly. And if you go through a car wash that has any type of a brush or roller, then make sure that you take your front plate off there, because otherwise it will get damaged. And then here's what it looks like straight on, and Your license plate goes over the front plate, and you're all done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.